Hey you guys, I'm coming at you with a two-part video this time. I've been getting some questions on how my painted concrete porch is doing, and before I show you, waiting for the plane to go by. Yeah, that's my life. I've been getting questions on how my painted concrete porch is doing, so I'm going to give you a review on that. But first, I'm going to show you how to wash a painted concrete porch. So let's go. Okay, so here's my dirty porch. I've been doing a couple of projects out here, and this is an example of one of the messes that I left behind, and this gave me the idea to show you guys how I get this porch clean. Just watch me breaking. This brownish area over here by the front door is the high traffic area, so you can see how dirty that gets. This is going to be my second time washing this area. The first time I pressure washed it, and as you can see, the paint is still holding up, so you are able to pressure wash it too. Now I'm going to let you continue watching because the video speaks for itself.
Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. From the get-go, let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
So now that my porch is dry, let's take a look at it. You guys remember how dirty it was here underneath the doormat, and now it's clean. And then this high traffic area, all that dirt is now gone. And I was also able to scrub these bricks pretty good as well.
Free pass, oh. Try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me,
I didn't clean the edges, but as you can see, the paint is still intact over here.
just watch me break.
And this area right here, I was painting a project and I got a little carried away with the paint one day, so that's my fault. But the good news is I still have some leftover concrete paint, so I could paint right over it. And there it is. As you can see, I've had no issues since I painted this porch about a year. Actually, I think it's been about a year and a half now, and it's still looking just as good. So don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, and I'm about to go and put my porch back together. So I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.